Hello student, we are going to study about insect head, in which we will study about antenna, eyes and mouth parts of the insect. As we see in this figure, this is insect head and this is the diagram of insect head, where we can see that insect head has three main parts. Upper mid portion of insect face is called frons. Below this is clypeus and below this is labrum. This one. Okay. In the side of labrum is mandibles. In some insect, maxillary pulps are there, which are extended through the side of labrum. Now coming to frons. Frons is the area of face below the top two ocelli and above the frontoclypeal sulcus. See, this part is frons and here there are three ocelli. Okay, then these two ocelli is present in vertex region and one ocelli is present in frons. It supports the pharyngeal dilator muscle and in immature form it bears lower two arms of ecdysial cleavage lines. Then coming to clypeus. This is the area of face immediately below the frons. This region. This is the area of clypeus which is immediately below the frons, and it may be fused or absent in the frontoclypeal sulcus. It supports the sibarial dilator muscle and may be divided horizontally into post and anticlypeal. Then coming to labrum. This is equivalent to insect upper lip and generally movable. This region is movable. It articulates with clypeus by means of clypeolabral suture. Now coming to side view of insect, we can see that in vertex region, compound eye is present and ocellus is present. Then one antenna is there, and then we can see that beside vertex region is occipital sulcus, which is connected to postoccipital sulcus, and here we can see mandibular and maxillary pulp. Labium is here below subgena and mandible is here below gena. Now insect antenna. This is primary and non-visual sense organ. Yeah. All insect doesn't possess antenna. They are absent in some insect like Protura, and in most of insect, antenna possess a mechanosensory organ on the pedicel. Pedicel is second antennal segment called Johnston's organ, and normally only the basal antenna segment contains intrinsic muscles. There are two orders of insect which lack Johnston's organs, and all but last segment contain intrinsic muscles. This allow for greater controlled movement of the antenna.
मेरा हेडफोन दो ना, हेडफोन दो ना मेरा, वहाँ से बैग दे दो, बैग तो मैं अच्छे से